Hello everyone. Shoubhik here from Techque Reviews, and after a long time, here I am with an unboxing video. So this is a 5-watt speaker from Boat that has RGB light, and the best thing is the price at which it is available during this Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's get started with our unboxing. So this is a Bluetooth speaker that can be connected with an aux as well, and this is a 5-watt speaker. This is the Boat Stone 250. The reason I went with a 5-watt speaker is I didn't want a speaker too loud, but it should be pleasant, because I'm going to connect it with my laptop for my editing purposes. So this is how the box looks. So this is the top, and on the bottom in the front part, Stone 250 branding. Here some features are given, like 5-watt immersive sound, RGB LEDs, IPX7 rating, splash and water shield. It's not waterproof, it's water shield. And on the back side we have some of the features like Bluetooth and aux compatible, lightweight build for enhanced portability, easy to access, total playback 8 hours, Type-C interface. This is a very good move, I'd say. Let's open it up. Okay, the packaging experience is kind of okayish. So this speaker is actually available in 2 colors. One is black and the other one is red. So according to my aesthetics, I went with the black because the RGB colors come out really good in black color. So here we get a cable from USB Type A to Type-C, number 1. Number 2, we get an aux port, and then we have a paperwork. In functions, as I can see, you can answer and reject calls with this as well. So it has a microphone in it as well, which is impressive. And also you can also trigger the voice assistant. So let's keep this aside. And what else do we get in the box? This is something about, official audio partner, something like this. Not that useful. So it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Give a missed call on this number to activate your product's warranty. Simple process to claim the warranty. Good. Let's keep everything aside and let's have a look at it. So this is how the speaker looks. Here we have a Boat branding, and the speaker grill is a metal one, and the overall body build is a polycarbonate body, I'd say. The build is good. It has a matte finish to it. Over here some rubber kind of surface, I guess, for the grip. We get this as well, so if you want to hang it around somewhere, you can do that as well. On the bottom you get these so that it doesn't get displaced easily, which is good. And on the back, this is how it looks. This is polycarbonate. So let's see, let's fire it up and see if it has some juice. Dang.
Bluetooth mode.
So it's in Bluetooth mode, and this is how it looks. The light, RGB light, dang, looks impressive. Let's go ahead and pair it with our Pixel 6. So it has 60% battery as of now. On top we have the volume rockers to increase the volume and to decrease the volume. Okay, we have an indication over here which is pretty impressive. Can you see it, guys? Decrease the volume. As you can see, the lights are changing. Nice. I liked it. Pretty helpful feature, I would say. Now let's tap on this light button. What is it? I also don't know. Okay, so you can change the animation of the RGB lighting, which is a nice option. So you can get this speaker for rupees 999, which is amazing. I mean, before the sale the cost was around 1500, but now it's available for 999. Pretty impressive. Now let's play some copyright free songs. I'm playing some EDM. One moment here. The bass is dang so impressive. I mean, if you can see the speaker, I've kept the speaker bottom up, and when I play it again you can see it's getting displaced a bit. So the bass is pretty good in this. Now let's try some other song which has some lyrics in it.
Yes, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding on.
So the sound is really good. The bass it's strong. The vocals are good and clear, and at max volume also there is no audio bleed. I'll say it's perfect. There are no issues. So if you're looking for a good speaker under the price segment of 1000 rupees, then this is the speaker that you should go ahead for. I'll provide the product link in the description below. So if you found this video informative, then go ahead, smash the like button, share it with your friends and family who are looking to buy a wireless speaker. And yes, the most important thing, don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you subscribe, that gives me a motivation to make some more kind of this videos. So that's it, guys. Thank you, and I hope you to see in my next one. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.